Hello everyone. You're watching Global News. Today, we'll take a look at the most important events and the latest breaking stories. Hawaii's Kilauea Volcano has erupted once again. Lava shooting into the sky, the rumbling from beneath the earth, and nature's raw power are on full display. Today, we bring you the most breathtaking and dramatic visuals of this extraordinary event. Kilauea is one of the most active volcanoes in the world. Every eruption provides crucial data for scientists and creates concern among local residents. This eruption was triggered by intense pressure buildup beneath the Earth's surface. After the eruption, rivers of lava began flowing down the slopes. Reaching temperatures close to 1100 C, this molten rock reshapes the landscape with every movement, burning everything in its path. The explosion sent a massive cloud of ash and smoke into the sky, rising several kilometers high. This can affect air quality and may force temporary evacuations in nearby communities. Scientists continue to monitor magma movement using precise instruments. Seismograph readings have spiked, suggesting that the eruption may continue for several days. Every measurement helps researchers better understand volcanic behavior. Despite the danger, the scene remains a powerful reminder of nature's force. New landforms and fresh layers of earth often originate from eruptions like this, shaping the future landscape. Kilauea has once again demonstrated its immense power. Respecting nature, understanding its strength, and following safety guidelines are essential for everyone. We will continue monitoring this event as it develops. That's all for today's news. Subscribe and stay with us.